Hello everyone. As we embark on a new journey, I offer my heartiest wishes to you all for an abundance of blessings for the year 2025. May you be endowed with an overflowing reservoir of strength, wisdom, and unwavering perseverance to manifest your most cherished dreams. May your will be fortified as you diligently pursue the goals you have so carefully set for yourselves. With the looming prelims examination just 5 months distant, the days ahead may feel like a whirlwind of activity, a constant ebb and flow of progress and setbacks. This period may indeed resemble the poignant movie Everything, Everywhere, All at Once, a chaotic tapestry of simultaneous creation and disintegration. Sleep may become a fleeting luxury, replaced by invigorating embrace of caffeine. Yet, amidst this apparent chaos, remember that the universe in its infinite wisdom orchestrates a harmonious convergence. In due time, all the disparate threads of your efforts will weave together into a magnificent tapestry of success. Remember that this period of apparent disarray is an integral aspect of the exhilarating journey of self discovery and the thrilling pursuit of your aspirations. We at Lukmaan IAS are thrilled to introduce our PGP initiative for the Prelims 2025. The Prelims Guidance Program is designed to support your unwavering pursuit of excellence in the civil service examination. The program will serve as a catalyst, refining and crystallizing your accumulated knowledge from months and years of dedicated study. We will guide you in developing a comprehensive subject-wise approach, seamlessly integrating fundamental concepts with the relevant contemporary developments. The evolving landscape of civil service examination, characterized by dynamic shifts in question patterns and complexity, can often feel daunting. Let us embark on this journey together, striving to overcome these challenges and achieve success. I invite you all to join this transformative journey and unlock the full potential of your preparation through the PGP program and comprehensive prelims test series. Together, let us cultivate a spirit of excellence and successfully navigate the challenges of civil service examination. The class is ready for you. Are you?